The Magruder website Lab Portal instruction. This is the Magruder homepage. It has the same web address as it had earlier, but you will notice that it's changed somewhat with information on the new program. The very top of the page has information on the new program as links to PDF files. Introduction describes a brief one-page introduction for the new program. Method codes is a list of all the new method codes. The method codes have changed quite a bit. It's very important to review these and determine which ones you're going to use in entering your data. There are data entry instructions here as a PDF file link, and there are also videos instructing you how to enter data. Statistical reports is a PDF file containing information on the statistics in the reports, and it describes the content of the reports that will be generated in the new program. FAQs on DLs is frequently asked questions on detection limits. These are concentrations that are very low, below the detection limit. There's information on how to report those values. Contact information for individuals in the program. The reports will be posted on the Magruder homepage here. The type of reports posted here are the general reports. The lab-specific reports will be reported in a different location that I'll describe a little later. They will be actually accessed through a secure site through the lab portal. But the general reports will be two types of reports in the new system. One report called an analyte report, another one called method report. These are general reports that either group the data based on the method performed or the analyte tested. The method report is similar to the reports in the old Magruder program, where all the data was grouped by method, where an average and standard deviation were calculated. The analyte report is a general report showing all the lab results and averages determined by the results for an analyte regardless of the method. The first sample in the new program was March 2015. You'll notice that the sample number format has changed. The first two letters is the year, the second two characters is the month, the fourth character is the program number. It's always going to be 1 for the foreseeable future. It might change if there's another program that's introduced into the system. The last number is the sample in that month. Some months will have 2 samples, so this might be 1 and 2 for 2 different samples. Notice that the new type of reports, analyte and method reports, are posted here for the January and February samples. This is data that was reported the old way, but the new report format was generated for the data submitted for these samples. Lab Portal is access to the data reporting website where you will go to report your results. You click on there and it will give you a login screen where you type in your login and password. You should have received a login and a password by email. If you have not, give Frank Sikora an email and ask him about where to get, or ask him to resend your login and password. If you are a user in your lab that is not in the system, you will be created as a user for the lab and you will get an individual login and password. You can have more than one individual have login and password, separate login and passwords to the data reporting website to access your lab. So contact information for Frank If you need to contact him for login information, is contacts. And my system is real slow right now, but the email for Frank is fsecora@uky.edu.